Hello friends, welcome back to DeepMind AI. Today we will be talking about super feature of AI. We can create animated videos. As you might have seen, there are millions of views in YouTube and people are creating animated video for kids. So today we will be creating videos. So let's go and create our first video. So first, in order to create animated videos, we are going to use Canva. So first you have to search canva.com. You will find this link in description as well. Now you will have this interface and all you have to do, you have to click videos here. Once the interface is ready, all you have to do, you have to go to elements. You can click here. As you can see this option. Now we are going to create animated video specifically for kids. We are going to create our first animated video. So all we have to do, we have to search for Apple, and we do have different option here. As you can see, we do have different option. So we are going to select this one. So all we have to do, we have to click here. Now we need a face for our Apple cartoon face. Okay, we do have different options, so we have to choose one of them. So let's check that out. Okay, this seems pretty. I'm going to use this one, and now we have to adjust the face here. It seems perfect. Now we need feed for Apple. Okay, we do have different feeds option here, so let's check. This one would be great. Okay, we have to adjust here. Yeah, this looks better. Now what we have to do, we have to send the feeds back. So all we have to do, we have to double click on three dots and go to layers and send to back. Now this looks perfect. And we need hands. So all we have to do, we have to search for cartoon hands. Okay, this seems better. We have to adjust here. We have to click on three dots, again layer, send it back. This seems perfect. And the second hand we need, let's check if we can copy, duplicate, and all you have to do, you have to flip this, click here, and all you have to do, you have to do flip, adjust. Now send it back. Perfect. Now our picture is completely ready. All we have to do, we have to animate this picture. So for that, all we have to do, we have to download this picture. So in order to download the picture, we have to click on share, download. We have to select PNG file. Perfect, we have to download that. Now we have to search. In order to animate this picture, we have to search animated drawing. And click on the link here. And now get started. Upload your picture. Yes, the picture is ready. And now click on next. Click on agree. Adjust your picture for animation. Next. Everything seems perfect. Just click next. Now we have different motion. Wow, this is just amazing. We have created animative video, so now we have to create the voiceover for this animated picture. So now what do we have to do? We have to click here, and now we have option here. We have to download this one, or if we don't like the move, so we can do this one. Let's check this one. I think this one is better. So all we have to do, we have to download this video. Perfect. Now what we are going to do, now we are going to create voiceover for our newly animated video. So for voiceover we can use 11 Lab. I already have pasted script here. We have to create voice for that. So the best voice for kids, that is GG. I select this voice, I paste some text. Now we have to generate speech. All we have to do, we have to download the voice. Perfect. Now we have to go to Canva, and we have to delete this picture, and we have to upload the animated video we just created by animated drawing. Now we just have uploaded the animated picture. So all we have to do, we have to come here, and first and foremost thing is that now we have to select the background for the video. So all we have to do, we have to go to elements again, and we have to search forest background. I like this one. All you have to do, just click on 3 dots, layer, bring front, and now we have to set the background here. We have to do some editing. All we have to do, select on background, click on edit. We have to use filter to make it more realistic. Now we have to go to the animated picture. We have to click on this. Now we have to click on edit in order to remove the background. So let's check. You can see the background remover. All we have to click here. It will take us seconds, and our background will automatically remove. This is just amazing. And now our background has been removed. We have to adjust the animation here, and all we have to do now, we have to, let's check this one. All we have to do now, we have to upload the voice we have generated by using 11 Labs. So I'm going to upload that. We have to add some text. Select text, headlines, heading, click here and paste our first dialogue here. Just click here. We have to color the headlines, and we might need background as well. So all we have to do, we have to click on FX, and now we need background. So I think this is perfect. So now we have to adjust the voice, and all we have to do,
What is my name?
we have to click here. The dialogue ends here. We have to click here. We have to split the audio. Let's check this out.
Oh, friends, guess what is my name? I am an apple. Apples, I am an...
Check this out.
Hello, friends, guess what is my name?
Yeah, we have to keep everything as it is. All we have to change the dialogues. So let's So let's watch what is our final output. So please enjoy the video.
Hello friends, guess what is my name? I am an apple. Apple spells A-P-P-L-E.
Now all we have to do, in order to download the video, we have to click on share, click here, download. We have to select the quality. I'm going to make it 4K, and all you have to do, you have to just click download. It will take a second and the video will be ready. Okay, the video has been completely downloaded. Now let's watch and see what is the final outcome. You can see within 2 minutes we have created kids learning educational video. So you can see in YouTube these have millions of views. So you can create your own animated video by following simple steps. So now let's watch what is the final outcome.
Hello friends, guess what is my name? I am an apple. Apple spells A-P-P-L-E.
So you can see by following simple steps, we have creating an amazing animated kids educational video. So please share and subscribe DeepMind AI. Thank you so much for watching video.